So the 67th question is the type of isomerism shown by the complex COCl2En2 is geometrical isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, linkage isomerism. So we have to tell which of the type of isomerism is shown by this complex COCl2En2 is. So the answer is first geometrical isomerization. In COCl2En2, coordination number of C2 is 6 and this compound has octahedral geometry. So the coordination number of CO2 is 6 and this compound has octahedral geometry. So this is transform optical inactive. This is transform optical inactive and this is cis form optical active. As per given option, type of isomerism is geometrical isomerism. So the answer is geometrical isomerism, the first option, because the coordination number is 6 and this compound is octahedral geometry.